Hello, welcome to another Christy Crypto video. Today we have a giveaway. If you like free money, then stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you how you can get in on this 444 Erg giveaway that kindly is being made by Elamite. We're going to get into this in a minute. It's worth about $310 today. Make sure you subscribe. Also, if you are still using COINBASE to purchase your cryptocurrencies, then leave COINBASE, use SWISSBORG, link down below for that. It's 1% fees if you have a premium account, 0% fees. You get free Bitcoin if you use my link down below. Literally all you have to do is click my link, send £100 into your SWISSBORG wallet or $100 into your SWISSBORG wallet. You don't even have to buy cryptocurrency to get a lottery ticket for free Bitcoin. This ticket could be between $5 and $100. Look in the description for free stuff. If you're in the crypto space and you're not on crypto Twitter, then you are doing a disservice to yourself. It's got drama, it's got information, it just keeps you up to date. Go follow me, roll the intro. So Ergo, if you don't know about Ergo, I'm not going into details about it now. I'll be making another video in the future about it. It's been performing really well since my last video. It was at like 40 cents. It's now up at 70 cents. There's a lot of reasons for this, mainly because alt season. Because I don't know if you've noticed that everything has been mooning, Cardano included. And if you want a piece of Ergo, if you're not someone that wants to do the giveaway, you don't want to do the giveaway race, which we'll get into. Just hold your horses. I'll show you how to do it. Just come over to CoinEx. I have a link down below. CoinEx, very low liquidity, but if you just put in a buy order, very low, then you can, wait for your order to get filled. Join us on the mission to the moon. It's got Erg USDT pair. That's why I use CoinEx, but very low liquidity. If you want a better liquid exchange, use Hotbit. Blah blah. That's not all we're here for. Today we are here for free Erg. That's what we want. Free Erg. So kindly, Elamite, who is doing a beautiful thing for the community, he is giving away this wallet, a Yoroi wallet with 444 Erg on it. You just have to guess the private keys for this wallet. Now obviously you don't have to just guess it willy-nilly. He's doing clues to the 15-word recovery phrase for this wallet. So thank you for that, Elamite. That's a very kind thing for you to do for the community. One lucky winner will get 444 Erg from this Yoroi wallet. Good man. Good man. To figure out these 15 words, you want to come over to the Ergo auction house. If you don't know what the Ergo auction house is basically a place where an artist or for a company or just an individual to make a NFT, and this could be, I don't know, a band or a film could produce a one-of-a-kind piece of artwork to be put on chain and for someone to purchase. So here we have piece of artwork which actually looks quite nice, which has been created and put up for auction on the Ergo auction house. This is a reminder of how this artwork is a reminder of how difficult it was to buy pizza with ADA in 2020, and like I said, very nice because in the future it's probably going to be very easy to buy Cardano, to buy pizza with Cardano, the same as what Bitcoin had. We had got Bitcoin Pizza Day, I think is May 8th or May 10th, or it's in May, and yeah, it's to remember that guy who bought 2 pizzas, which is worth, with Bitcoin, which is worth millions and millions of dollars today. So yeah, it's a cool thing. But to find out these 15 words, you gotta want, or right now only 10 of them have been released. You gotta want to look for word. Here we go. We go look for Elamite's recovery phrase hunt. So this is word 2 of the 15 words. It's one of the dwarfs from Snow White. That's word 2 of the recovery phrase. If we scroll down a bit more, we can see here's word 3. So if you can get what word this picture is trying to describe. I mean, this looks like banoffee pie, or maybe the word is pie. I don't know what the bricks have got to do with it, but you got to spend the time to get this $310. This could take a little while for people to try and figure out. This is word 8. Sneakers. That's probably what it is. Sneakers, shoe, trainer. All of those words could be it. What's this one? Word 7. Kitchen. That's what it could be, kitchen. Word 7 could be kitchen. I'm giving away free alpha here. Let me just do word 9. Okay, that's a bit, I would say, cart, maybe. Road. Who knows? Who knows? Maybe you've got the brain for this kind of thing. So if you manage to, I would recommend writing down the words that you think it is, all the different ones. You're going to want to download Yoroi from the extension store. You can only use it on browser right now, but Yoroi do have a mobile wallet, which is very slick, very nice to use. I would recommend if you're someone that is in the Cardano space and you're holding your funds on exchange at the moment, then I would recommend Yoroi. It's a very good wallet. Now, to use these words that you think it could be to restore the wallet, you're going to want to come over to Yoroi and click up here where it says add new wallet. Go down to restore wallet. You can see Ergo. Enter the 15-word recovery phrase, and then here you're just going to want to write in the words in order of what you think they are. Get it right, you unlock the wallet, you get the 444 ERG at today's price of $310 in the future. I'm telling you now, this is my minimum wage brain letting you know that it's probably going to be worth over $1,000 in the near term. Like I said, very nice thing for Elamite to do. Come follow him on Twitter as well. And that's basically all you need to do. It's that simple. Just guess the 15 words from his clues, restore the wallet, and you can either go and sell that ERG if you want, or hodl that ERG, and you got yourself some free ERG. If you don't want to do that, use my referral link down below, and come and buy it on CoinEx or Hotbit. Join us for this moon mission. And if you're a filthy no coiner without any cryptocurrencies at all, then change that. You could get yourself 444 ERG for free. Just making a quick video today. I know ERG is going to be in the top 100 coins this alt season, 100%. Just wait for Cardano, Gogan, smart contracts, all of that stuff. Hype, hype, hype. Let's go. Subscribe to the channel. Don't subscribe to the channel. It's up to you. I will see you in the next video. It should be about ERG a bit deeper. We've got the ERG Summit coming up. If you want to know more about ERG, then stay tuned for that. Follow them on Twitter and all that stuff. Bye 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 bye.